are they going?
Look at his front wheel. Look at his indicator.
Left.
Look for clues. Now then, I had to touch the brake then, didn't I?
Yeah. Oh, shit. What am I doing?
Why did I have to touch the brake?
Because of that second car that was coming round, the black one.
Correct. There were 2 clues of where he was going. Number 1 was his indicator. Number 2 was his position, yeah? He was in his right lane, but looking at it from our side,
His left.
yeah, where there was a left arrow on it, yeah? Telling us he was coming round.
I just had an inkling when we came to that roundabout. I was like, something's going to happen. I just know it's going to be like a piss take.
So, this is a mock test with Alex. Say hello, Alex.
Not much of a mock test anymore. I've already failed like twice. It's not much of a mock test. This test was over within the first like 10 minutes. Oh well.
After 200 yards, go right on the roundabout and take the 3rd exit, A5, Didiol Road, then turn left. Go right on the roundabout and take the 3rd exit, then turn left.
I'm looking at the positioning now.
Look for clues.
Oh, what the flippin' heck?
Turn left, A4087, Farrow Road.
He is not doing 20. Flippin' heck. Scared someone's going to run out across these roads, they always do.
Can you just pull up on the left, just the other side of that bus stop for me, please?
Here or
Just the
further?
other side of the bus stop.
I'm going to have to cross into the bus stop,
It's
unfortunately.
not a problem, as long as you don't stop on the bus stop.
Oh fuck, there's a car as well. Shit, I need to give myself room.
There we go, thank you. Move away when ready, please.
I've made this a bit awkward for this car that's pulling out behind me. Don't think he cares all too much. Can I indicate out to be like, this is
Now
my
then.
intention? But
There
there's so
will
many
be
cars.
situations, okay, where you'll have to use what's called or nicknamed a begging indicator, okay?
Yeah, but like, please let me out.
That's correct, yeah. Otherwise, you could be here for a very long time.
Yeah.
Okay? So,
Here's the first.
use a begging indicator in this situation. You would normally, go on then, pop your indicator on. Now, what we're doing is we're begging for somebody to let us out, yeah?
Of course, we're a learner, so nobody's got that time.
That's true.
Patience.
There we go, look at that. Find the bike point. There we go, keep a beady eye on them. That's it. So that's called a begging indicator, yeah?
At the end of the road,
There are times
turn right, A4087, High Street, then keep left.
It's necessary.
Turn right, then keep left.
Don't make us stop, don't make us stop. Oh my god.
Keep left.
I am keeping left. I've never been more left in my life.
See those yellow bus stop there?
Yeah.
It's okay to drive over them. It's okay to stop in them if you're in traffic, but it's not okay to park up in them.
Yeah, just
Pull over and go into Domino's sort of thing. Okay?
Can I... I'm going to be careful with this one, because
you're
Go
supposed
right
to check
on the
before
roundabout
moving up to the
and
right.
take the second exit,
The right one.
Penhawintan Road.
Stop helping. Ooh, hang on.
What is our
Okay.
diversion? Oh, have I
Now
got to
then.
carry on?
What would you do if this was your driving test?
You'd have to carry on.
You would. So pop a left
Go
indicator.
right on the roundabout and take
Because-
the second exit.
The road is closed. Woo!
Okay. Now then.
Test ends early, guys.
No.
It's fine, I still failed.
Turn right, Pennant Crescent, then turn around when
Ignore the
possible.
sat nav for now. Just keep following the road ahead.
That's what I'm doing.
So if something does happen, like an accident, or something unexpected like that, like a road closed or an accident or something like
Yeah.
that, then the examiner is allowed to take you on any road he wants. Okay. Now then, follow the
Go right on the
diversion
roundabout
signs for me,
and take the
please.
third exit, Anon Road, then turn left.
Anal Road? What? The hell
The
did it
Anon. Look to the right. Look to the right.
I know, but I'm...
Look, let's go. It's our priority.
She didn't care much.
It's our priority. It's our priority. There we go.
Neither did he, to be fair.
Now then, the junction at the top of this road, okay, is one of the most difficult junctions in all of Bangkok, okay?
Why are you telling me this on a mock test?
Now then,
This isn't helpful.
you gave way to that van coming
I-
towards you, yeah? You would only give way to him if he was coming round, okay?
If he was like on the roundabout.
Yes. If he'd entered the roundabout and he had the right indicator on. Now then, I'm going to help you. No, I won't, sod.
It's a mock test for a reason. I've already failed twice. Why help me now?
3 times.
Oh yeah, because of that.
After 100 yards, turn left, Penhawintan Road, then go
This
right
hurts
on the
my ears.
roundabout and take the second exit, Belmont Road.
Oh, what the hell is
Follow the sat
Turn
nav,
this?
left,
please.
then go right on the roundabout and take the second exit.
No, because what is she doing? Well, yeah, I can't go anywhere. Oh my god, this is horrific. Now I've got to go right.
Go right on the roundabout and take the second exit, Belmont Road, then turn left.
Thank you very much. Because I need to come out of this damn thing. Give me some oomph. Get me up this hill. Please.
Turn left.
Ignore the turn
I know,
left, mate.
that-
Just follow the road.
That's always a bit of a weird one. Oh, this hurts my ears. I'm sorry to the car. I'm sorry. There we go.
Nice.
Finally can listen to the car and get it out of first.
Look at the sat nav. Follow the sat nav for me, please.
After 100 yards,
No.
turn right,
Ooh.
Belmont Avenue.
Okay, it's fine, she's turning left. That one there. Okay. I'm going to do this in first because I know
Turn
for a
right.
fact that I'm going into a weird junction. It's quite tight. I'm going to have to pull up with this thing.
What's he just done? He's just flashed you.
Oh, thank you.
So you can act upon somebody flashing their lights at you as long as you're 100% sure that that's what they mean, okay?
Yeah, like if they've stopped and then like
Yeah.
they flash.
The actual meaning, according to the highway code, of somebody flashing the lights is
Come this way.
no warning and here. The actual meaning, okay? According to the highway code. However, a lot of people, or most people, use it as a way of communicating to allow you to come through or come out of a junction. Now you can act upon it as long as you are 100% sure that that's what they mean. If they've come to a stop and they flash again or they wave at
turn
you.
right, Belmont Drive. Then, at the end of the road, turn left.
No, I didn't indicate.
Turn right,
And this is a
then,
really
at the end of the road, turn
curious-
left.
Oh my god, I'm not going to be able to see. This is horrific. I've got to crawl. Ugh. It's clear, so that's fine. And then we're going left.
Turn left, Fredord Road.
I've got to do the same thing twice and get back into my own lane. Excuse me. Ah, for that reason. Ooh, hello. Let's go. Can that coffee kick in quicker, please?
Oh yeah, what's the point in decaffeinated coffee?
I thought it would give me like a what's it called effect? Like a
Placebo effect.
Yeah, it didn't.
It's like, what's the point in non-alcoholic beer? Why? You may as well have a cup of tea.
Should I?
Do the safest thing.
Which would be to wait, but there is a person getting on
No,
board.
the safest thing was to do what you did. What you did was good.
I've seen other people do it. I'm just. Oh yeah, give way to the right. That didn't happen.
Shh, I thought she was going to pull out then.
That's what I did.
Oh,
That's what I thought.
But you spotted the vehicle, didn't you?
I did, but I was like,
Good.
that's what
Well
made
done.
me shit myself. I was like, am I in the wrong?
No,
Hello?
You were absolutely 100% bang on. Perfect, well done.
That's right.
That's made the examiner feel a lot more comfortable.
That was quite scary, actually.
It was.
I was like, shit, there's this person who's behind me going to just pull out. Although he doesn't seem too happy to be stuck behind a learner. Well, sod you, mate.
What's the speed limit along here?
20.
That's it.
Which is why if he's unhappy, go 80.
Do you think we're doing what, 1920?
Yeah.
Is there anything wrong with doing 1920 in a 20 zone?
I don't think so.